Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Snap Crackle Josh on our new channel. Check the link in the description for my old videos from the previous channel, especially the Wawa mac and cheese, highly recommended. Today we have an interesting one from the masterminds at Post, Sour Patch Kids cereal. That's right, Post cereal's teamed up with the fan favorite candy Sour Patch Kids. The box here promises to have the same sour then sweet flavor of the candy we all know and love in cereal form. With that said, let's jump right into this one. Go ahead and open it up. It's freshly sealed. I've never ever had this before, but I am very interested. There we go. Alright, so let's dive on in. Gotta go skim milk. Keep it thin for the ladies, you know. Alright, right off the bat I can tell you it does have that sweet aroma, so that's going to be fun. Let's go take our first bite. Yeah, yeah, that's, let me try that again. Yeah, it's kind of gross. So yeah, it's definitely sweet. I'm not really getting the sour too much. Maybe on the end, it's more sweet than sour. Kind of tastes like Fruit Loops if they went bad. So I'm going to say that I need to go back to the drawing board on this one. Maybe never ever try it again. But if you see Post Sour Patch Kids cereal in your local grocers, run away. Don't buy this. It's bad. I'm interested to see if the kids like it, but they don't have to worry about me eating it. So that's all for today. If you have any ideas of what you want me to review next, go ahead and put them in the comments. Smash the like button if you like the video, and feel free to subscribe. Hit the bell to get notifications.